Peacocks are found all over the world, fanning their fancy plumage in parks, farms, and zoos, but they are native birds of Asia. They originated in India, where they are symbols of the Hindu religion and Indian royalty. Elsewhere, people admire them, primarily because of their ornamental blue and green tail feathers. Less admirable is their high-pitched honking vocalizations. From fashionable feathers to their history as luxury meat, here are 11 fascinating facts about peacocks you may not have known. 1. The peacocks you know are male. Only male peafowls feature eye-catching colors and decorative tail feathers, while females are more subtly colored and do not fan their feathers. The term peacock refers specifically to males, while females are called peahens. A group of these birds is known as a bevy, an ostentation, or a muster. 2. Peacocks take years to develop their colorful tail feathers. Males start to develop color at around 3 months and fully mature with brilliant feathers by the age of 3. Each year, their feathers are shed and regrown, becoming fuller with time. 3. They are the national bird of India. In 1963, the blue or Indian peacock was designated as India's national bird. It holds deep cultural and religious significance, often depicted in Hindu traditions and art. 4. Peahens are selective when choosing a mate. Peahens assess a male's fitness based on his display, the vibrations created by his movements, and the overall impression of his courtship rituals. 5. Their crests serve as important sensors. Both male and female peafowls have crest feathers, but in females, these act as sensors that pick up vibrations during a male's display. 6. Peacocks have been symbolic throughout history. They appear in Hindu religious culture, Greek mythology, Jewish symbolism, and early Christian art, often representing immortality, beauty, or divine presence. 7. In the past, peacocks were a luxury food item. Wealthy medieval households would prepare and serve peacocks as a lavish centerpiece for feasts, though their meat was reportedly tough and not very flavorful. 8. Older peahens can exhibit male characteristics. When peahens age, they may develop male traits such as growing colorful feathers and making male calls due to decreased estrogen levels. 9. Peacocks can be fully white. Rare in nature, white peafowls owe their appearance to leucism, a genetic condition that removes pigment from their feathers but leaves their eyes unaffected. 10. Peacocks are capable of flight. Despite their large size and long feathers, peacocks can fly short distances, often to escape predators or nest in trees. 11. Some peacocks have subtler tail displays. The Congo peafowl, native to the Democratic Republic of Congo, is smaller than its Indian counterpart and features more modest tail feathers, which are still used in mating displays. There you have it. Understanding the needs and behaviors of these remarkable creatures is essential for protecting biodiversity and promoting conservation. The more we learn about species like the peafowl, the more we can appreciate their role in our world and work toward preserving their habitats for future generations.
Stay connected and get your daily hot insights. See ya!